Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Supabase login problems, auth and project errors step by step clearly. First, start by checking your Supabase project settings. Log into your Supabase account and navigate to your project dashboard. Once there, go to the authentication section in the sidebar. Verify that the authentication settings match your expected configuration. Next, check that your database connection is properly established. In the database section, ensure the connection details are correct. Confirm that your API keys are properly configured. You can find the API keys in the Settings tab under API. Next, test the login flow through your application. Look for any error messages that appear during the attempt. Common issues include incorrect email or password entries. If you encounter an issue, try resetting your password. You can do this through the login interface or directly in the Supabase dashboard. If you're using third-party login providers, ensure they're properly set up. Check the provider settings in the Supabase dashboard for correct configuration. Review the callback URLs in the provider settings. Ensure the URLs match those defined in your Supabase project. Next, inspect your application's front-end code. Look for any errors in the authentication implementation. It's important to ensure you're calling the correct Supabase client methods. In case of persistent issues, enable logging for your authentication flow. This will provide insights into where the problem may be occurring. Review the logs for any authentication errors or warnings. If you're still facing issues, consult the Supabase documentation for guidance. You can also check community forums for similar problems and solutions. Lastly, if all else fails, reach out to Supabase support for assistance. Provide them with detailed information about your issue for better troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.